Can I download the Roku app on my Android TV?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to answer a common question. Can I download the Roku app on my Android TV? This question is quite relevant as more and more people turn to smart TVs for their daily entertainment.
What is the Roku app?
To start with, let's clarify what the Roku app is. The Roku app is a free application for iOS and Android devices that turns your mobile device into the ultimate streaming companion for Roku streaming players and Roku TVs. It provides functionalities such as remote control for your Roku device, voice search, and more.
Can I install the Roku app on Android TV?
Here's the key point. Roku has its own distinct operating system and its own app, which is separate from Android. This means that the Roku app is primarily designed to control Roku devices and Roku TVs, not to be installed on other systems such as Android TV. That said, while you cannot download and install the Roku app onto your Android TV to turn it into a Roku device, there is still a way to use the Roku app from your Android phone to control your Android TV. This will involve using the screencasting feature.
How can I use the Roku app with my Android TV?
First, download the Roku app on your Android mobile device. You can then use the screencasting feature of your Android mobile device to mirror the screen to your Android TV. In this way, you'll be able to control the Roku channels you want to watch on your mobile device and have the content displayed on your Android TV. In summary, while you cannot directly download the Roku app on your Android TV, you can use your Android mobile device to control Roku channels and mirror them on your Android TV. We hope this clears up the confusion and helps you enjoy your streaming experience. Keep exploring and happy streaming!